Welcome to Novi Marof, Croatia, a beautiful little karting track we like to use to have fun on our little racing bikes. I would like to say thanks to Motorista Bike Shop for making this possible. You can find the link for their MiniGP racing school in the link below. We usually race on the OHVALE GP0 and OHVALE GP2. We also have custom bikes made by Project Workshop. Let's see what the neighbors have got.
Very nice!
Okay, back to training. We usually set up here on the big parking lot. We do a figure 8 cornering drill to get a good body position on the bike and get very good feel of the max lean angel. And yes, we sometimes fall, but it's easier to fall with a small bike than a big one.
So we are here on Marof, training a little bit with Hinko. We had a little bit some rain. We had some rain, so now we are trying to use the time when it's clear to do some training. So. Friend Hinko.
She went to something. Oh, DD. Oh, what it is? Oh, DD. What it is?
Don't worry, he is okay. Let's see who's in the pits. Let's watch some motorcycles. Thanks for watching.